Hi guys, let's make some quick stir fry. Guys, this is literally like a 30-minute meal. Okay, so all I'm using today, I've got boiling water and I've got some cabbage, shredded cabbage, carrots and some red onion. I've done this earlier. I wanted to make a salad, but I thought, you know what, let me make stir fry instead. So I've got the boiling water and I've put the rice noodle in there, and that will just be for about 7 minutes. It doesn't take long to cook the rice noodle. While that's cooking away, I'm just gonna go ahead and start the stir fry. Guys, I was in such a hurry, but I wanted to eat some home cooking. Okay, so I've got the ginger and garlic paste to the side for now, and we're just gonna lightly just fry these onions. Okay, the quantity of the amount of onion you use is entirely up to you. I do like to use a good amount, so that's just gonna fry for some time, about 2 to 3 minutes, both sides, just flipping it back and forth until you get like a nice golden brown. As you guys can see, I'm now adding my garlic and ginger paste. I really do like the paste when I don't have time to do my own garlic or my own ginger. Buying a really good quality paste will definitely be a great addition to any meal that you cook. Now I'm adding the king prawns. Guys, you don't have to add these. If you wanted to add like chicken pieces or any other pieces, you can, but for today I'm just gonna add that in. Guys, if you are new to the channel and you've never come across this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button, you like the video and you share where you can. Okay guys, so all I'm doing is slightly frying everything, and when I'm telling you guys, I was in a hurry at this meal and I was so hungry, so everything is speeded up. We gotta be quick. So I'm adding the noodles in. So I've added it in. The prawns, everything's cooked down, so at the moment I've had to just turn down the heat because everything is pretty much cooked, and all I need to do now is bind everything together. Okay, so this is it, and I'm just gonna add a bit more ingredient. But yeah, so the rice noodle only took about 7 minutes to cook. Put that in there, and with the prawns, the onion, the ginger, the garlic paste, and on the side guys, when I tell you I was trying to do too many things at once, so now I'm adding the cabbage. Okay, that's the shredded cabbage. So I've turned down the heat to very low heat because I don't want the cabbage to overcook. So I've turned it down, pretty much I've turned it off, okay, because it's still warm and everything is cooked. And to the side I was trying to make I was actually making like a paste for some rice, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put it into my stir fry, just a tiny bit, just, you know, to add some flavor. So why not, you know, mix and match the flavors. So yeah, let's just take a little bit and add it onto the noodles. So yeah, why not? And I'm gonna add some soya sauce and then bind everything together. Okay, so guys, I really hope you are enjoying this. This is a quick 15 to 30 minute meal. Like, it will not take you more than 30 minutes, okay, to make this. Absolutely not. And you can eat delicious homemade food in no time. This is just an extra addition that I've added. It's just the sauce. So I've put the soya sauce, I've put the shredded cabbage with the carrot, and I've added the extra sauce, and I've stirred it all together, and this is the result that you have. Okay, delicious, quick, easy stir fry, and I've added some sweet chili on top, and there you go. I really do hope you have enjoyed the video. I'm gonna tuck it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bon appetit. Bye guys, see you guys next time. Okay, bye.